Citrus grafting. Begin by selecting trifoliate orange as the rootstock, a strong and healthy seedling to support the new graft. On a smooth section of the stem, make a precise slant cut to reveal a single angled surface, providing a clean contact area. Next, make a second cut into the center of the woody tissue, creating an additional slanted surface. This extra contact face allows for better alignment and ensures a stronger, more successful union. Choose a high-quality citrus variety for the scion. By spring and summer, the shoots may already be partially woody, so shape the scion with a careful double-sided slant cut, making sure the surfaces are smooth and clean. After cutting, gently split the middle of the slanted surface, dividing it into 2 sections, which increases the contact area and improves the chances of a successful graft. Insert the scion into the double-tongue grafting slot, making sure the cambium layers of both scion and rootstock align perfectly. Once the graft is secure, trim the scion so only one healthy bud remains. If timing permits, you can prune the top of the rootstock and perform an exposed bud graft, which will encourage new shoots to grow naturally. In this demonstration, the method shown is a covered bud graft, where the bud is protected with a wrap to retain moisture. Once completed, the graft is stable and ready to grow. See you next time. Citrus grafting. Start with an XP graft, taking apical dominance into account. Use a conventional stem bud graft for best results. Observe the graft made on August 9th. New shoots have already emerged, and the tip is carefully pruned to finalize the process. Peach tree, autumn bud grafting. As the end of heat season approaches, fruit trees enter the optimal window for autumn bud grafting. For peach trees, timing differs by region. North of the Yi River, graft slightly earlier. South of the Yi River, graft a little later on large peach branches. This method is ideal for variety replacement. Use a double bud protection technique and wrap the graft securely with film, ensuring stability and a high success rate. Once wrapped, the graft is complete and ready for the next stage of growth.